Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you have purchased something on Lazada and need to return it for a refund, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the simple steps to return items on Lazada and get your money back. So now let's get started. First, log into your Lazada account on the website or application. Once logged in, go to My Order section where you will see a list of your recent purchases. Find the item you want to return and click on it. Next, click on the return button, which is usually found near the order details. Lazada will then guide you through the return process, asking you to select a reason for the return and to upload any necessary photos if the item was damaged or defective. So after submitting the return request, you will need to choose the return method. Lazada offers several options such as drop-off points or scheduled pickup. Select the option that's most convenient for you. Once you have selected your return method, follow the instructions to ship the item back to the seller. Make sure to keep the return receipt or tracking number until your refund is processed. And that is how you return items on Lazada for a refund. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.